In this video, we will show you how to put ads on WordPress website. To put ads on WordPress website, it's very easy. First, you need to have the ads code, and you can have the HTML codes. For example, in here, we have image ads with HTML code like this. And we suggest you, if you need to get some ads, you can register on Google AdSense programs, and you can register as publisher. Of course, after your site is approved, you will have the ads code, something look like this. And how to put these ads into our WordPress? First, in here, if we have already the site and built from WordPress, we can just go to our dashboard and go to appearance and go to widgets. And in here, for example, I will put the ads into my sidebar. Okay, after you click add item like this, you can search HTML and then select custom HTML. And for example, I will place my image ads in here, and we can click update, and we can reload our WordPress website. You can see now we have the ads. We can also place another HTML code like from Google AdSense and also from another PPC programs similar to Google AdSense. And that's all tutorial how to put ads on WordPress website. Hope this video helpful for you.